Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my Raiden Fan 2026 channel, and today we're at Graham's house today. She has a window garage door, and it's just like my Auntie Shay's, but it's a little bit different because the hinges are different. And this door is dirty; it needs to be cleaned. This torsion spring had been replaced or lubed probably a few months. I'm not sure. Here's a Craftsman T-rail with this Craftsman screwdriver. Model. I don't know the model, but it's made in 2006. November 3rd, though. November 3rd of 2006. So, yeah, it's got a couple of white bulbs in them. I don't know the model. Oh, it's 139.53. 99 2D. It's kind of looks similar to the Craftsman belt drive and the LiftMaster 2500D and the LiftMaster 2500B and the LiftMaster 3500. So yeah, it's pretty in good condition. And here's the Craftsman remote model 139.53753. This is the TX 2028. You cannot actually really see the date because it's a little fade up a little bit. And it's taped up because this part right here is coming off. Right there. And it's missing the clip on it as well. So, yeah. This is the button that is programmed to this. The second button goes to Dave's shed, but it's not programmed to it, though. Anyways, here's the wall button right here. LED works, but yeah, here's the light. And lock works a little bit, I think. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this, and here we go. It's a little bit quiet, but a little noisy. Got a nice release rope with handle and tag. Now, I'm going to do an outside view, but first I want to show you something. Look at that. We have Dave's shed with the sign on it that said Wood Lane. This is amazing. Garage door. I don't know what kind of door it is, but yeah, we'll go run that as soon as possible if I can get in. And yes, I can. It has a little hook for the doors too. Like you could see a hook right there and stuff. And here's the door. Oh, I need to go get the keys. Hold on. Okay, there we go. In Dave's shed, we have a Chamberlain. I don't know what kind of model it is, but yeah. I don't know what kind of door it is. Wow, it's kind of hot in here. Here's the Chamberlain A83LM. It's just like Great Graham's, but it has a light feature on it. So yeah. I don't know what kind of Chamberlain model this is. Oh, it's a B2202 MC, I think. Yeah, I think so. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and run this up using the A83LM. Here we go. It's pretty quiet. And I don't have the remote because Dave had just left, so can't use that, but I have to use this, though. Alright, we'll do an outside view. So, yeah, I'm gonna make sure that the door is unlocked, though. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's give it an outside view. Alright, here we go. Really nice. Run this back up. Wow, this is super quiet. Oh my gosh. Alright, we'll run this back down. And I'm not going to do an outside view on the Craftsman because I don't want the opener to burn out or anything or something. But we'll run this using the A83LM and then we'll go back to the Craftsman. And here's your torsion springs. Right there. There's one spring there. Alright, let's close it with the A83LM and then go back to the Craftsman screwdriver and that'll be it. Here we go. Wow, it's so nice. Alright, let's go back to the Craftsman. Using the TX 2028. Wow, this is so amazing, guys. This is the quietest belt drivers or chain drive on this door I've ever heard. That is so freaking amazing, guys. We're gonna close it from in here. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's close it. And that'll be it. Here we go. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to like, comment, or subscribe, that'll be really appreciated, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.